Hey everybody, welcome to the studio recap session for the song Now Make Like My Ass and Crack. So as you can imagine, there's going to be some wise words from the band on this one. Let's hear it. We got one guitar right here. And one bass right here. We heard the intro. This is the verse. It's got all this percussion on it. And no guitar and bass. That made it easy to record the guitar and bass over. So we got this whole percussion section here. This is the only song on this double album that has this. You got two bongos right here, small and a big one. You've got a crash cymbal. You've got two congas, those right there. And you've got a china and a ride cymbal doing a polyrhythm. So these go on at length. There's going to be a lot of vocals and backing vocals here. Here we go. Now you got verse 2, same thing. More percussion going on. I don't know how the band is going to do this live. The guitarist in particular is a real stickler for only recording things you can reproduce live. This is a bass guitar doing slap. I guess it's here. Drum solo with a weird guitar thing over top. Don't ask me what this is. Some kind of a solo with a whammy pedal. I think that's right here. Here we go again with this stuff. So we got a drum solo. Now we're into this, I guess not a verse, it's a middle eight, technically. Goes on for 32 bars. Yeah, see my previous video about the polyrhythm. This is a 5/8 polyrhythm over a 4/4 beat. Actually, I think it's 5/16. Yeah, it's 5/16. It's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, going on. This is also, by the way, the track with the least steady drum performance. It's going to require fixing up in a couple of places in Pro Tools. And there you have it. There's a little restatement here. There you go. So, yeah, interesting song. It's got, obviously, as you guys heard, it's got a couple of different time signatures in it. It's got like a triplet thing going in the chorus, and then it's got a straight beat going in the verses. So, interesting combination. Now, if you're interested, if you're keeping up with this journey, we are to try all the major guitar speakers, or at least the traditional guitar speakers anyway. So this song here, Now Make Like My Ass and Crack, right there, if you can see, the speaker we use is the same guitar sound, as always, coming out from a Boss Katana 100-watt head. One of the worst sounding amps ever. So it's coming out of that. It's the same sound, but each song it's going through a different speaker. So on this song, it was a Celestion GT75 or G12T75, whatever the official name is. Love it or hate it, this speaker divides people. It's being recorded with an MD421 Mark II, and it's in the halfway position, so halfway between the center of the cone and the edge. I'll see if I can isolate just the guitar here. Let's see, turn off the drums. I try to route everything to buses, so it makes it easy to turn things on and off. Okay, here we go. So there you go, that's the GT75. You can kind of tell. It's very honky speaker. And I've said this before, but if you look at the EQ, like the spectrum analysis of that speaker, you got these two big spikes right in the mid-range. You know, that's what gives it its characteristic sound, I think. I'm not really an expert on it, but that seems to be its defining characteristic. So there you go. I don't know what more I can say about this song that I haven't already said in this video and the first video. The most interesting thing about it is the polyrhythm and the percussion section. I guess it's slightly unusual because it doesn't have any real guitars in the verses and hardly any bass in the verses. It's all percussion. So I imagine the band is going to be doing vocals and backing vocals to be the meat and potatoes of the song, carrying it through those verses. And oh, and it's got a drum solo in it, I suppose. I think it's the only drum solo on this double album. So there you go. Hopefully you found that interesting. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.